Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, Real Nester, as you'll see at Real Nesters. And today, I'm welcoming you guys back for another unboxing and product review. But today, I'm going to review this product. And if you like this product, check the link down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And follow us at TheRealNesters on Instagram. What's up, everybody? It's box opening time. Happy Friday, everybody. I don't know when y'all gonna see this video, but it's Friday for me today. And I got me a package. Now, listen, y'all. Before we get any further, I already steamed my box. But really, UPS, this is how you treat my package? I'm just saying. Oh, but anyway. But I'm pumped anyway because it is box opening time. I can open it from both ends. I don't even know. But I'm gonna rip this baby open. Y'all know it's like Christmas when you get a box, right? So some of these things I can't show y'all. Oh, okay, I can't show y'all that. I always get one thing I can't show y'all, but I can't show y'all that. So one thing I'm excited about is I had to buy me a new phone case. Because if you guys know, y'all see my old phone case. This is a LG 5, right? So, you know, they put all these numbers behind things. But anyway, I like these kind of cases. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a quick little steamer while we talking, because you know sometimes I open it up and steam everything and then try to do the video. But I will let y'all see that I honestly steam everything that come out my packages, right? So I'm gonna crack this open real quick. I'm excited about this. I love these type of phone cases. So it got the clip, the rubber. Is this a slide? I don't think it's a slide. My other one that wasn't this tight. Yeah, it's a slide. It slides in this way. See that? Okay. So hard to slide out. But and it comes with a little cover. The little cover for your phone and everything. Yes, love this. Got this at a great price. This is called PC Red. I'm not big on red, but I am cheap, and this was a good price. So that's one thing. Also, I got some little candles here. Promised Land candles. These candles are for my menorah. Don't laugh at me. I had bought that. I haven't done a video on that yet because honestly, when I got it, you guys, I was a bit disappointed because these kind of look like birthday candles, don't it? I might get that and chop that in this video so y'all can see me put it in there. I wonder if they're gonna really fit. It actually look similar to the one I bought. So I bought these because the birthday candles were too small, the other candles were too big, so I wanted to order some that was specific for my nail. I keep wanting to say manure, but y'all know what I'm saying. But anyway, so I'm excited about this. These look like they actually fit. Oh, I didn't steam it, did I? I can't steam it a lot. I don't want to melt my candles. And sometimes I gotta hear the word and then I can say it right. Or look at it. I see it in my head, but I ain't saying it right. Anywho, what else I got up in here? Oh, we ordered some more masks. I'm gonna run these over here real quick. Oh, perfect. Thank you. We had the blue. Oh, and we're tired of the blue ones. So the hubby requested some black. I've seen a lot of places that have different colors. I got this at a really good price too. They're not wrapped separate though, so hopefully he'll like those. So we got some new masks, and y'all know your girl is the old queen. Okay, we gonna do this real quick. Do a little steamy steam because I'm still trying to kill the germs. Because it's not time to take those masks off just yet, y'all. Y'all do know that. So you still want to be cautious when y'all going out. Like when we go to the grocery store, we actually wear gloves still. When we picking up stuff, y'all done seen many of our videos. We still steaming everything. But you ladies and gentlemen, this is what I got. So I've been into oils for a couple years now. This one right here is my favorite, well, one of my favorite. I have about 5 favorite oils. definitely lavender, peppermint, that I use on a regular basis. Love the scent, and orange. I love when the house smells fresh like oranges or laundry. So, and this comes with a glass dropper actually. And it's Sun Essential Oils. I did buy their brand before. I bought like a 20-ounce lavender from them. So, I'm excited. I finally got a big one so I can run that more through the house. What is this? I don't remember what this is. I don't even know what this is, babe. Let's see what this is. I don't have a grandpa knife. I didn't get a knife, so I can't tell y'all. Oh, I do know what this is. Okay. It took forever to figure out. I forgot to do the So these right here, ladies and gentlemen, in this wonderful flat looking box, I forgot about it. These are feet files. Yes, sir. Listen, they used to sell these in the Dollar Tree for $1. And now, since y'all know what happened last year, stuff just gone missing out the store and they don't get them back no more. So I had to order these. I like them better. I like tough stuff. I'm not a girly girl, so I'm a little rough with stuff. I like tough stuff, you guys. So anyway, oh yeah, boy, one last thing before I leave here, sharing my box opening with you guys. So here's my, say it then, manure. Here, no, it's not called a candle holder. Here's my menorah. And now I have, yes, the right size. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea what I went through. So these are birthday candles that I got from the Dollar Tree. And my niece had bought me these candles, which I had to like shave down the bottom to fit in here. And so now I actually got the right. Oh, this one has some colors in it. I think I'm going to do this. I think I'm going to put the white in the middle. I'm excited, guys. What? I'm going to use this one because I used that already. And then I'm going to use this one. Oh, it looked like I might have to still use, or no, I got to clean. I might still have to use this one fits perfect. But I might still have to use some candle wax to drip down in there. I don't know how I want to do it. Whether I want to mix match my colors or not. But I'm going to do this, you guys. I'm so excited. These actually got some colors in it, too. Interesting, ladies and gentlemen. Interesting. I think I'm going to do it like this. But anyway, so y'all see what's in my package. As always, thank you guys for spending time with me, chatting with me. Don't forget to comment down below. And I started this video off pretty quickly. I might mention my name. I'm TheRealNesters. And I don't know what channel this is going to end up on. As you guys know, we got 2 channels, which is Thomas Family as well as James and Crystal. What? Anyway, so thank you guys for spending time with me. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me some thumbs up. Hit that little, I think the bell is that way. Subscribe. No, yeah. Bell is that way. Subscribe is that way. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Thank you all for your time. Peace.